emergency fund? How do you approach that?
So in general, I would say the minimum would be having at least 2 months of your living expenses. So rent, food, maybe not your discretionary stuff, but all the necessary expenses that you have. Ideally, you want to have 6 months, but I would say minimum, if you can swing it, it would be 2 months of just emergency fund. If something happens, if you were to say lose your job and you had to look for another job, get sick and just can't work, aren't getting paid or for a certain amount of time, that gives you a little buffer, to kind of weather that versus having to say go into debt or borrow money. I know it's difficult when you're just starting out, but if you can be really diligent about it, even just setting aside a little bit a month, or you're going to have, at least something built up.
2 months for sure is minimum. A year would be awesome. My question is,
Yeah.
where do you park it?
Yeah, I mean, you want to keep it in something that is secure. You don't want it to be in something that could be down significantly when you actually need the money. So yeah, generally, some sort of bank account or something. Yeah, you want something that earns interest, so you're at least earning something on it. It may not be a lot, but something that's going to be there, that's accessible. So you want to have it in some sort of account that's liquid, ideally earning at least a fair amount of interest.